Thank you, Madam Speaker. The strategic direction for the care of the elderly in Fiji is set by the National Council of Older Persons Act of 2013, Madam Speaker. And of course, this has been boosted by our 5-year and 20-year National Development Plan, which also deals with the strategic direction for the care of the elderly. Internally, Madam Speaker, the priority within the ministry right now is in relation to the maintenance and administration, and also the setting of standards for the care of the elderly in our state homes who look after the elderly around the country. The 3 state homes, Madam Speaker, and we have in that regards signed a memorandum of understanding with APTC for capacity building within the homes for the caregivers therein. Apart from that, Madam Speaker, keeping in mind the 2017 census data, which shows that right now about 9% of our national population above 60 years of age, while 70% of the population are below 40 years of age. And looking long-term strategically, that 70% will, in about 20 to 30 years' time, will be our elderly population. And that's quite a big number to deal with. So long-term strategically, the focus for the ministry is to set proper standards right now to ensure that when we do hit that demographic change in a decade, 2 decades, 3 decades, we will be ready nationally to deal with that in relation to the care of the elderly in Fiji. Thank you, Madam Speaker.